Hello, it's Andrew, and today we're at a very special property. It's a 3-bedroom barn conversion located in a small community in the heart of the Carey Valley with lovely walks and open countryside right on your doorstep. Now internally we've got 3-bedroom accommodation, the main bedroom with an ensuite, and we've got modern tech, beautiful kitchen, pristine bathrooms, and what I love above all is outside you've got a lovely garden, lawned with a selection of fruit trees. There's also a gravelled area, wood-fired hot tub, patio and a shepherd's hut in the mix as well. So it's a fantastic home, and you'll see in a moment all the qualities it has. So for more information, please give us a shout. Thanks very much.